Hi friends, good evening guys. This is your educator CV Lokesh. Guys, let me check whether is my voice audible, guys. Lokesh. Guys, let me check whether. So in my mobile it is clear. I want everyone to confirm it. Is my voice audible, guys? Hi Rajesh, good evening. Hi Harshita, good evening. Hi Amulya. So in my mobile it is clear. I want everyone to confirm it. Is my voice audible, guys? Hi Rajesh, good evening. Hi Harshita, good evening. So is the material visible today at least? I hope we should not have any technical issues. Yeah, Rajesh, yeah, Harshita. Okay, चलो I guess we have discussed till 9th MCQ in essay 200 ना. तो आज हम दूसरे MCQ से शुरू करेंगे. I hope जो भी MCQ से 200 210 पे we will try to cover it up today, है ना. I think 9th one we have done, I guess. 10th one please check it out. 10th MCQ एक बार देख लो. So 10th MCQ, right? So 10th MCQ, right? Okay, चलो. So let's check it out then. तो आराम से पहले क्वेश्चन को पढ़ लो. ओके, तो फर्स्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन, देन यू कैन आंसर इट. So Harshita say, Rajesh says yes sir. Okay Rajesh. Harshita also says yes sir. Okay okay Harshita. Chalo, let's wait for others also, right? Amulya also says option A. Okay Amulya. Chalo, shall we start discussing then? Anybody else who wants to answer? There are other people online. So if anyone wants to answer, you can, guys. Yeah, Amulya. Okay, chalo. See what happens in the 10th question. In the event that the requirement of applicable laws and regulations differ from the requirements of SS, an audit conducted in accordance with the law and regulation will not automatically comply with SA, will automatically comply with SA. So what happens? So question एक बार फिर से देख लेना. See हमेशा I will tell in my class guys, MCQ अगर है तो क्वेश्चन दो बार पढ़ लो. ओके, बिकॉज इनिशियली व्हाट यू मे गेट एन ओपिनियन वो डिफर हो सकता है बाय द नेक्स्ट वन. ओके, तो हमेशा यू डोंट बी इन ए हरी फॉर दिस मैटर. तो क्या बोल रहा है? इन द इवेंट दैट रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ अप्लीकेबल लॉस एंड रेगुलेशंस डिफर फ्रॉम द रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ एसए, मतलब रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ लॉस एंड रेगुलेशंस अलग है, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एसएस अलग है. एंड ऑडिट कंडक्टेड इन अकॉर्डेंस विथ लॉस एंड रेगुलेशंस क्या होगा? Okay, if audit is conducted with laws and regulations, okay, and will not automatically comply with SA. So यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है? will not automatically comply with SA, will automatically comply with SA. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. okay, see जब आप laws and regulations को follow कर रहे हैं तो it's obvious that you are ignoring the standards on auditing, है ना? तो option A is the right answer. I hope you are clear with this particular part. okay, chalo, shall we move to the next one then? Okay, chalo guys, so look at the next one then. 11th question. Harshita says 11th is C sir. Okay Harshita, चलो we'll see for others answers also. ठीक है. Rajesh says C sir. Okay Rajesh. Amulya also says option C. Okay Amulya, chalo good. सो लेट्स टेक इट अप देन। सी यहाँ पे क्या है, प्रोफेशनल स्केप्टिज्म मीन्स क्या है यहाँ पे। ओके सी ऑलरेडी हमने एसए 200 इन डिटेल में हमने डिस्कस किया है, तो एज यू पीपल आर सेइंग इट्स करेक्ट ओनली, बीइंग अलर्ट एंड ऑल्सो क्वेश्चनिंग माइंड, तो दोनों है, सो दोनों मिला के ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर। बात क्लियर है सबको? ओके सिंपल सी बात है। चलो लेट्स टेक इट अप द नेक्स्ट वन। 12th क्वेश्चन देख लो एक बार। डोंट बी इन ए हरी गाइस, सोच के जवाब देना है, राइट? सो बी केयरफुल विद द क्वेश्चन। मेनी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे गलती करते हैं, राइट? तो आपको केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा। हर्षिता सेज ऑप्शन ए। ओके हर्षिता, अमूल्या सेज ये सर। ओके अमूल्या। राजेश also says yes sir. Okay राजेश, चलो सी आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू हैव गिवन द राइट आंसर गाइस। एक बार समझ लेंगे क्वेश्चन को, ठीक है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट। वो क्या बोल रहा है, ही इज नॉट आस्किंग विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट, इसलिए मैंने बोला क्वेश्चन ध्यान से देखो। वहां पे पूछ रहा है कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है। ओके अब ऑप्शन ए क्या बोल रहा है, रीजनेबल अश्योरेंस मीन्स एब्सोल्यूट लेवल ऑफ अश्योरेंस, क्या सही है क्या? नो, सो ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर। आई होप बात क्लियर है। वाई सर? एब्सोल्यूट अश्योरेंस मतलब 100% अश्योरेंस, रीजनेबल अश्योरेंस मतलब क्या? रीजनेबल अश्योरेंस मतलब, आई एम राइटिंग डाउन हियर गाइज, इफ यू वांट यू कैन कॉपी। रीजनेबल अश्योरेंस मतलब इट्स एन हाई लेवल ऑफ अश्योरेंस but not 100% assurance. ओके 100% अश्योरेंस, इसको ही हम क्या बोलेंगे? एब्सोल्यूट अश्योरेंस। मतलब इन शॉर्ट इट्स ए हाई लेवल ऑफ अश्योरेंस, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, लेकिन 100% अश्योरेंस तो कभी भी नहीं है। एंड रिमेंबर गाइस, ऑडिट में हम क्या अश्योरेंस देंगे? रीजनेबल अश्योरेंस ही हम देंगे। बात क्लियर है? ओके, सिंपल सी बात है। चलो ठीक है, अभी नेक्स्ट वन, अभी सेकंड स्टेटमेंट देखो, रीजनेबल अश्योरेंस गिव्स हाई लेवल ऑफ अश्योरेंस, ये तो सही है। ओके, वो पूछ रहा है इनकरेक्ट के लिए, लेकिन ये तो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है, तो इसको हम सेलेक्ट नहीं करेंगे। एंड द थर्ड वन, लिमिटेड assurance is also known as negative assurance, absolutely yes. Okay, it is a correct statement. See, limited assurance only we call it as negative assurance. Okay, so always remember this. In fact, इसको ही हम बोलेंगे moderate assurance also. Okay, so that also can be said as a moderate assurance. Okay, and then option D बोल रहा है application of standards on auditing is mandatory in the audit of financial statements, absolutely yes. Okay, so that is also the right statement. So in short क्या हुआ यहाँ पे, what happened here? So out of the 4 options, one option is incorrect, other options are correct. So which is the right answer for us? Option A. I hope it's clear guys, everyone got clarity on this? Okay, chalo, so let's take up the next one, 13th question. Okay, so read it properly and then give the answer. So what's the answer guys? Have you read it properly? To read it properly guys, don't be in a hurry, okay? You should not make mistake in exams. Rajesh says B and C. Okay Rajesh. Harshita says B. Okay Harshita. Amulya says C. Okay. Okay, so Rajesh only says B and C. Harshita says B, Amulya says C. Okay. So are you sure about this guys? Are you confident about this? Or you want to change the answer before I start discussing it? Okay, Harshita is firm on the decision. Okay. Amulya also says firm sir. Okay. Okay. Rajesh also says yes Rajesh. Okay. Chalo, so now let's understand this guys. So let's understand this clearly. So what is that they are telling in 13th question? Professional judgment is necessary and in particular for the decisions relating to. मतलब see the question sentence itself is framed relating to what decisions professional judgment is necessary. So in the sentence only you can understand there may be multiple options. Please understand this very clearly. There may be multiple options, and I am again repeating this, guys. Whatever the MCQs we are discussing, that is given by ICAI. ICAI MCQs is what we are discussing. Let us be very clear on this. Okay, so all this is given by ICAI. Okay, so this is used for educational purpose, right? Okay, so please understand this very clearly. By solving this, you can easily get confidence for the exams part. Okay, chalo. Now what is the options they are saying? Accepting the audit engagement. See, professional judgment is not necessary in that particular case. Okay, now materiality and audit risk, yes, it becomes necessary, option B. Okay, then uske baad option C is telling assessing the reasonableness of the estimates made by the management in preparing the financial statements. Yes, here also professional judgment is necessary. Okay, option D, communicating the matters with TCWG, no, it is not necessary. So what is the right particular options? B and C. So Rajesh was right here. Okay, so Harshita, Amulya, you selected only one, but sentence framing, if you see, so remember this, when you frame the sentence, by framing the sentence you can understand whether there are multiple options or what. Based on this you can decide. Okay, as simple as this. So if you know basically materiality and audit risk, materiality is dealt by which standard, guys? For your more understanding part, materiality is dealt by SA 320. Audit risk is dealt by SA 200 only, audit evidence and audit risk, if you remember. Okay, then estimates is dealt by SA 540. I hope it's clear. So this is what you have to know. So 13th one में what is the answer? It is B and C. Okay, chalo. So let's take up the next one, guys. The last question in essay 200. ठीक है? Harshita says A and D. Okay. Rajesh also says A and D. Okay. Amulya also says A and D. Okay. चलो, I think previous question helped you guys. तो कैसे actually identify करना है, right? Okay. See यहाँ पे the thing is something like this. चलो question को discuss करेंगे. Ethical requirements relating to an audit of financial statements is specified under SA 200 and includes. क्या include करेगा? Whether confidentiality, objectivity, whether it includes. Option is correct. Option A is the right one. Profitability, no. Accuracy, so again it is no. Okay, then integrity, yes. Okay, require an auditor to obtain legal advice that is not specified by ethical requirements, right? So understand this, guys. So option A and D, as you people have rightly said, is the correct answer. ठीक है बात सबको? Okay, confidentiality, objectivity, integrity. Already we have discussed these terminologies as well. Confidentiality मतलब in short secrecy. Objectivity मतलब unbiasedness, मतलब you should not favor anyone. Integrity मतलब honesty, straightforwardness. ठीक है, चलो. So shall we take up the next standard essay 210 का MCQs देखेंगे फिर? Is it fine? Okay, चलो. Again be careful when you are answering it, ठीक है? So read it carefully. थोड़ा बहुत difficult MCQs है ये सब. Okay, don't be in a hurry. Harshita says C, sir. Rajesh also says C. Okay. Amulya also says C. Okay. Chalo, so let's understand, guys, then. When should the auditor agree with the management or those charged with governance on the basic premise on which audit is conducted? Okay, basic premise मतलब assumption, condition on which audit is conducted. तो agreement मतलब so audit engagement letter. So auditor कब agree होना? When he should agree with the management or TCWG? During the audit or after the audit? It is before the audit. Absolutely right. So option C यहाँ पे right answer. Okay, all of you are correct only, guys. Okay, चलो let's see the next one then. MCQ, second MCQ. So it's a big question, guys. Read it carefully. Don't be in a hurry to answer. Okay. Sorry. Harshita says D, sir. Okay, Harshita. Let's wait for others also. Rajesh also says D. Amulya also says option D. Raghunandan Gupta. Okay. I can't understand that symbol, man. Okay. Chalo. So shall we discuss then, guys? Chalo. Okay, so second one, so let's understand this. So what will be the course of action? One second, guys. Okay, so what will be the course of action if the management does not acknowledge its responsibilities or agree to provide written representations for an audit? So what auditor has to do, guys? Okay, so what is the action we have to take? Okay, so when management does not acknowledge its responsibilities, या फिर they are not agreeing to provide written representations. Okay, so normally in this case what we should do? Okay, so we have to go for disclaimer, but let's see what options they have given. Auditor was unable to obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence. Is it right or not? Yes. Okay, so that is the right one. Okay, option A is the right one. Then here what they have said, do not accept engagement unless required by the laws and regulations. Absolutely yes, so that is also is the right one. And option C, they say if auditor is required to accept engagement, explain to management the importance of these matters and the impact on auditor's report. Absolutely yes. And option D says all of the above. So ultimately what is the answer? All of the above. I hope it's clear. Okay, chalo, so this is what you have to know, guys. So ultimately what is the right answer? Option D. ठीक है, चलो, so let's move on, guys. Then third one, third MCQ, please read it carefully. ICA has given more options here. Okay, so Amulya says option F. Okay, Amulya. Rajesh also says F, sir. Harshita also says option F. Okay. Anybody else, guys, who is online who wants to answer? Chalo. Okay. So let's understand this, guys, clearly. So third question क्या है? When is it appropriate to revise the terms of audit engagement or remind the existing terms to the entity? Okay, revise the terms of audit engagement or remind the existing terms to the entity. Now what options they have given? Let's look at this. Any indication that entity misunderstands objective and scope of the audit? Absolutely yes. So option A is the right answer for this. Any revised or special terms of audit engagement? This is also right, guys. Option C says a significant change in ownership. Again, it is also right, guys. A significant change in nature or size of the entity's business? Absolutely yes. In that case also, what you have to do, you have to go with the basically again revising it or reminding the terms actually. Okay, a change in the legal or regulatory authorities? Absolutely yes. And option F says all of the above. So ultimately option F is the right answer. I hope it's clear to everyone. What you have answered is absolutely correct only, guys. Okay. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next one, guys. Fourth one. So once you are clear, let me know the answer, guys. Amulya says C, sir. Okay. Rajesh also says C. Okay, Rajesh. Harshita also says C. Okay, Harshita. Chalo. See now what they say, guys. Let's understand this. The auditor shall agree the terms of audit engagement with the management, those charged with the governance, management or those charged with governance as appropriate. Option D, audit committee. So ultimately option C is the right answer. क्यों sir? See यहाँ पे simple है, guys. SA 210 says you should have an audit engagement letter with the client. Okay, so it might be management or TCWG, but normally we'll have with TCWG. But when will this management or TCWG will come into picture? When both are one and the same, then any word is fine. I hope आपको मालूम पड़ रहा है. Okay, so this is what you have to know. Clear है बात सबको? चलो, let's move on to the fifth question then. Fifth MCQ. So read it carefully, guys, before you answer. ठीक है? So after deciding, you can let me know the answer, guys. So what do you think is the answer, guys? Amulya says B, sir. Okay, Amulya. Harshita also says B. Okay, Harshita. Rajesh also says option B. Okay. Anybody else, guys, who wants to answer, who is in online? Okay. Chalo. See what they are trying to tell. Let's understand this, guys. The agreed terms of the audit engagement shall be recorded in. Okay, shall be recorded in an audit engagement letter, or other suitable form of written agreement. See, law has actually used this word. Okay, so let's be clear with this. So we say normally audit engagement letter, but law has used this word, an audit engagement letter or other suitable form of written agreement. Okay, तो ये हमेशा याद रखो, तो इसीलिए ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, तो यहाँ पे एनी सुटेबल फॉर्म ऑफ रिटन एग्रीमेंट, दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, नन ऑफ द अबव इज अगेन नॉट द आंसर. तो इसमें बेसिकली आंसर क्या है? ऑप्शन बी है, विच यू हैव टू टेक इनटू अकाउंट. क्लियर है बात सबको? ओके, चलो, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द 6th MCQ, गाइस. So read it carefully. It's a big question, guys, so read it carefully and then answer. ठीक है ना? Okay, so once you have decided, you can let me know the answer, guys. Amulya says option A, sir. Okay, Amulya. Harshita also says option A. Okay, Harshita. Rajesh also says option A. Okay, Rajesh. चलो, see now let's understand this clearly, guys. तो सिक्स्थ MCQ क्या बोल रहा है? If law or regulation prescribes in sufficient detail, मतलब law और regulation बोल रहा है in detail में the terms of audit engagement. तो उस टाइम पे क्या करना है? We have already discussed this situation. Okay, जब laws normally, see, understand this clearly, guys. SA 210 gives the contents of audit engagement letter, है ना? So contents of audit engagement letter SA 210 दे रहा है, but sometimes अगर laws and regulations ने prescribe किया contents को, तो contents of audit engagement letter if it is prescribed, then उस टाइम पे हम क्या करेंगे? Okay, whether we will again write the audit engagement letter? No. लेकिन हाँ बच्चों, मेरे को ये बोलो, whether we will take an acknowledgement from the management or not? Yes, that you understand your laws and regulations, and again we are not going to repeat it. Okay, just you take an acknowledgement from them, है ना? तो you understand your laws and therefore there is no need to again redraft it, है ना? As simple as this. So understand this, guys. Let's look at the options what they have given. Option A बोल रहा है the auditor need not record them in a written agreement except for the fact that such law or regulation applies and that management acknowledges and understands its responsibilities. Okay, तो ऑप्शन ए तो सही दिख रहा है ना? ऑप्शन बी क्या बोल रहा है? The auditor need not record them in a written agreement. No, this is part of it. Auditor needs to record them in a written agreement. No. Option D, none of the above. Again, it's a wrong one only. बात क्लियर है सबको? Okay, is it fine? चलो, so look at the 7th MCQ, guys. तो बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर आंसरिंग इट, ठीक है? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, man. This is actually Unacademy channel. Okay, so what do you think is the answer, guys? 7th MCQ के लिए option D. Okay, Amulya. Harshita also says option D. Okay. राजेश ऑल्सो सेज ऑप्शन डी. ओके, चलो सी यहाँ पे क्या है. सो एज यू सेड इट्स द राइट आंसर ओनली गाइस. A request from the entity for the auditor to change the terms of the audit engagement may result from, okay, so a change in the circumstances affecting the need for the service, a misunderstanding as to the nature of the audit as originally requested, a restriction on the scope of the audit engagement whether imposed by management or caused by other circumstances. Option D, all of the above. So option D, all of the above is the right answer. Okay, I meant your videos are great. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. So guys, look at the 8th MCQ. We have one more thing. 9th MCQ also is there. By this we can cover it up, है ना. Rajesh says 8th option D, sir. Okay, Rajesh. Harshita also says D. Amulya also says option D. Okay, chalo, good. See, circumstances that may warrant the revision in terms of engagement as per SA 210. Option A बोल रहा है significant change in ownership. Option B बोल रहा है significant change in the nature or size of the entity's business. Option C says change in legal or regulatory requirements. Option D, all of the above. So ultimately option D. Okay, see, this is something again extension of one of the MCQ what we have discussed, है ना. So as simple as this. Okay, so let's take up the last question for the day, guys. Okay, so today is the last session also of ours, है ना. See, but whatever we have done, see, this was a regular thing, guys. Okay, yeah, Rajesh. Yeah, but I think important things we have done now. So what was so a regular kind of batch, right? We'll definitely miss you all, guys. Okay, so let me know the answer, guys. Yeah, Rajesh. Yeah, Harshita. So Harshita says D, Rajesh also says D, Amulya also says D. Okay, chalo, good. So ultimately what you have said is the right answer, guys. Okay, so already we have discussed all of this, है ना? So audit engagement letter may make a reference to scope of the audit. In short, basically contents of audit engagement letter, है ना? Then the requirement of auditor for key audit matters. Okay, expectation that management will provide written representations, and ultimately all of the above is the right answer. I hope it's clear, everyone. So this is what you have to know, guys. Okay, chalo guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. Okay, so do well for the exams. If possible, next month definitely we'll have some sessions. Okay, so we'll be waiting for that also, guys. Okay, meanwhile you can prepare well. Okay, so this is your educator CA Lokesh CV. Okay, okay, all the best for you guys. Yeah, my pleasure, Rajesh. Have a nice day too. Yeah, my pleasure, Harshita. My pleasure, Amulya.